That first half was embarrassing.
I'm gonna give it to you straight, guys. You were soft out there.
Soft. Soft, Johnson.
Yes, coach.
I've never been this embarrassed since I had erectile dysfunction, which I no longer have.
You have a choice before you, man. You're either gonna lay down or you're gonna stand up.
That's it. Look at Wood standing up. I'm not trying to be too hard on you fellas, but when you are down, you gotta have hope. The kind of hope my wife had when she told her coworker Terry about my ED. What? Yes, Terry is a man, and sure, I don't love that my wife has a work husband, but I didn't let that keep me down. He suggested Rugiet. I never saw that coming. Then again, I never thought we'd be down 40 at the half, huh? We need to bounce back, just like I did. When I went to Rugiet.com, I learned about these meds that boost blood flow below your line of scrimmage. And it supports these arousal signals in my brain. I'm talking brain and body. Win or lose, we're gonna hold our heads high, I'll tell you that much. I want you to get out there, and I want you to just play hard. Just play. Get your hands in. Come on.